Yesterday, my grandparents were involved in an accident. My lolo, who was the driver, was making a U-turn. He already crossed the road and papasok na sa subdivision. When out of nowhere, sinalpok sila ng motor. Based on the police's investigation, super bilis na takbo ng motor at hindi nakapreno. The motorcycle rider was dead on the spot. He had no shirt on, no license, and no registration. He was wearing helmet though. My lolo turned out fine but my lola is currently in the ICU. Tumagos yung rider sa passenger seat and bumped his head to my lola's, leaving her with a brain injury, broken skull, and almost non-existent vital signs. To all kamote riders, please, please, please. Kung gusto nyong magpakamatay, wag kayo mandamay. I am slowly losing my lola. Anytime pwede siyang bumigay. She doesn't deserve this. Ang lakas-lakas niya pa. She's an engineer working in the field, out in the sun, at the age of 69. Her birthday was just 3 days ago. We were very happy. Tapos ngayon, brain dead. My life changed in just a snap. Just because of a fucking kamote.